make it easy, I recommend you to use computer or laptop to do this because we need to do a payment operation to watch Classica. So first, you want to sign in to your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on the shop icon, which will take you to these networks and add-ons. And then you want to click on all to see all the channel and just scroll down and start to search for Classica. Right here on the Classica, you want to click on it. And you want to add the Classica to your YouTube TV membership by paying $6 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and complete your purchase with your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. And then to watch Classica, you can do this on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices. And you want to click on the search icon at the top right of your screen, and then just search for Classica. Right here on the Classica with this network sign, you want to click on it. And then you can just scroll down and try to watch any series, movies, concert, and so on from Classica. You can also add any show or any program that you want to watch on your smart TV by adding them to your library, where you can also skip the ads when you add a show to the YouTube TV library. And to do it, you can just choose on any show, and then right here, click on the 3 dots, and then click on add with the show name. Or you can just open the specific show or program and then click right here on the plus icon. And to check on every show or program that you added before, you can go to your top of your screen and then click right here on the library beside the home page. So on your smart TV, you can just hop into this section without looking into the live guide and enjoy your favorite show. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch Classica Stingray on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.